everyone! We're here for the daily safety check.
Safety check just means more waiting.
Cones are like a warning. Be careful! Don't come here! Cones are just in the way. They slow us down. Cones are very important for traffic safety. They protect everyone, Bruner. Stay safe, Bruner, and watch out for wet cement.
Now we can finally get some REAL work done. And fast. Oh, come on. The path I need is right on the other side.
See? It looks fine to me. Just a little sticky.
There. Oh, path is clear.
Come on, Micky. I found a super fast shortcut. Follow me. Ooh, a shortcut. Micky loves shortcuts. Right behind you, Bruner.
Whoa!
I'm stuck. Oh no! Micky, stop spinning your wheels. You're sinking. I can't reach you. It's too sticky. Oh, no. The cones. Jin and Poli were right. Jin! Rescue team! Help! Micky is stuck!
Rescue team, let's roll to the rescue! Sirens on!
Bruner, what happened to the safety cones? Helly, what does it look like from above? He's in deep! Jin, I'm scanning the concrete's viscosity. Oh no! The concrete is hardening. Viscosity is increasing.
Gotcha, Micky. Hold on tight.
He's not budging! Oh no! My wheels! I'm sinking too!
Stop, Roy. You'll only get stuck deeper. This is a traction problem. Traction. That's the grip your tires need to push or pull.
The site has heavy-duty steel traction pads. I saw them by the entrance.
Helly, get your harness. Bruner, help Jin get those pads ready.
Okay, Bruner, perfect. I've got it. Coming in, Roy. Get ready. Perfect, Helly. Going back for the second one. Activating. Stabilizer jacks.
It's all about SU port. The jacks spread Roy's weight out. Okay, Micky, this is it. Mega winch. PUL.
I'm moving! I'm moving! Pull, Roy! Pull! He's free! You did it, Roy! Teamwork! You're safe, Micky, but you'll need a really big wash. I'm I'm sorry. I moved the cones. I thought I was being fast.
Admitting you're wrong is brave. Safety rules are there to protect you. Always follow the safety signs. Let's be safe together.
Wait. Wait, everyone! What's that? What sound? His backup alarm is broken. He can't see the wall. Stop!
The wall is falling!
I've got it. Okay? Are you two okay?
It's heavy. Roy can't hold it forever. We have to secure it.
No, Bruner! Stop! You're making it worse! The wall has lost its integrity. We need to support it from the outside.
Engineering. We need to build buttresses to hold it up.
Those beams! I'll do it right this time. Helly, guide me.
A little to the left, Bruner. Perfect. Now push it against the base. It's in place. Great. Now one more.
Whew. It's stable. Great job, Bruner. I really helped. Titan, we need to fix your backup beeper. It's an important safety sound. 1. Respect cones. 2. Don't push walls. 3. Teamwork saves the day. Another successful rescue for the Robocar Poli Rescue Team! Micky, slow down. We always check our equipment. Bye-bye. Thanks for saving me. Splat! Whoops! Micky is muddy again.
Don't worry, Micky. Just don't use a shortcut to get out.
See you next time. Be safe.
Always check your horn and backup beeper before you start work.
Safety cones are your friends. Never, ever move them. If you see a friend in trouble, call for help right away. Always pay attention to your surroundings. Look for dangers. Go! See you next time, heroes!
Okay, Micky, grab on. I can't reach.
Don't worry, Roy. I'll make a lever. Oof, oof. Maybe we should just use the winch.
Good idea, Bruner. Let's work together.
Thanks, Bruner. Okay, Micky, pull.
Viscosity is what makes concrete thick. It hardens into a solid.
Traction pads gave Roy the grip he needed for support. Buttresses are angled beams that support a wall to keep it from falling. Construction sites are dangerous. Never play there and obey signs.
Whee! It tickles. Okay, I'm clean. Safety first. Do!
That was a busy day. Bruner learned an important lesson.
I'm glad Micky is okay. That concrete was hardening fast.
One small mistake can turn into a very big emergency. Always follow rules.
Peace out. Safe out there. See you next time.